What happens when a morning cup of coffee, a simple yet universal pleasure, becomes an intricate dance of logistics, labor, and international cooperation? Welcome to the fascinating world of global supply chains. Consider the journey of a single coffee bean. Born in the fertile soils of Colombia, it's carefully tended to by skilled farmers. Once ripe, it's hand-picked, processed, and packed for transport. This humble bean then embarks on a voyage across the ocean, destined for a roasting facility in Europe, perhaps in Italy, the heartland of espresso. In Italy, it's transformed, roasted to perfection, then packaged into vacuum-sealed bags, ready for its next journey. From here, our bean, now part of a premium coffee blend, travels to a distribution center in the United States. It doesn't stop here. The coffee is then transported to various supermarkets, cafes, and homes across the country. Each stage of this journey requires meticulous planning and coordination, involving countless individuals and multiple companies, each playing a crucial role in this complex ballet of commerce. This is the essence of global supply chains. They are the invisible threads that connect us, enabling the flow of goods and services around the world. They are the engine of global commerce, driving economic growth and prosperity. But these chains are more than just about moving goods from point A to point B. They are about the transfer of skills and knowledge, the creation of value, and the generation of wealth. They are about building relationships and partnerships, fostering trust and cooperation among nations. They also represent a remarkable feat of human ingenuity and endeavor, the ability to orchestrate such a complex system, to manage the myriad of variables and contingencies, to ensure that the right product gets to the right place at the right time, is nothing short of extraordinary. And yet, despite their importance, these chains are often taken for granted. They are the unsung heroes of our modern economy, quietly working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more convenient. So, the next time you sip your morning coffee, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. Think about the countless hands that have touched it, the countless miles it has traveled, the countless decisions that have been made to bring it to your cup. To sum up, global supply chains are intricate networks that allow for the seamless flow of goods and services across the globe. They involve a multitude of individuals, companies, and countries, each playing a vital role. These chains are not just about logistics, but also about the transfer of skills and knowledge, the creation of value, and the fostering of international cooperation. They are a testament to human ingenuity and enterprise, and a vital component of our global economy. So, here's to the humble coffee bean and the extraordinary journey it takes to bring us our daily brew. Here's to the global supply chains that make it all possible.